first thing you need to do is you're going to need to run some reports and make sure that you have your data out of QuickBooks. So what you want to do is you want to go into your accounts. No, you don't. You want to go to export data. Just bear with me. I'm not the greatest at making the videos. You want to go into export your data. And then you want to export these. And you want to export them to today. So if you don't do anything, it's just going to give you those reports as is. But you also want to roll it back to the point in time that you are going to be needing. So you want to roll it back to, as I said, I am starting with, what did I say? April 1st. So I'm going to want to roll back these reports to April 1st. Make sure I've got them all. Then I am going to need to go into there. So you can download those as a batch. It's pretty quick. Then you're going to need to go into reports, and you are going to need to actually list through these reports and make sure that you get your accounts payable and your accounts receivable back to those dates as well, and do one to today. So whatever reports it is you think you're going to need to make sure that you've got all of the information at the point in time called today and the point in time called April 1st, 2020. You are also going to need your chart of accounts. So we can just access that right here as well, except we're going to have to spell it properly. Oh, forget about it. We're going to go into here. We're going to go into our chart of accounts, and we are going to run a report. And then we are going to export that report however it is that we want it, whether you want it as a PDF or an Excel file. I'm going to give you, and you're going to need it for both the dates, today and the date that you're rolling the file back to. One of the things that I do all the time is that I have custom reports saved and emailed on a schedule. They are called my backup reports, so that I know a point in time in a client file and I don't have to do anything about it. So they're custom reports. The date range is to last month, the end of last month. And then they are emailed to a special email account I have called reports, and on a schedule that I don't have to do anything. And then they are filtered by Zapier and dropped into client files. So that is my way of making sure I always have a rollback in time to a file. Just totally off topic, but I can't help myself. We're good to go.